Hi friends, how are you? I am fine here, hoping you to be the same. I Suman Mehta welcome you all on my YouTube channel Online Shiksha. Today I am here with a new video, a new topic. In this video, I will discuss with you various components of a Gmail account and their uses. So this video is going to be very interesting. So please watch till end of this video. Stay tuned. Hi friends, welcome to Online Shiksha. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the various components of Gmail account with their usage. So for that, first of all open any of the browser of your choice. I am opening Google Chrome here. You can see in this Google Chrome you type Gmail in the Google search engine, or you can directly access Gmail account here. Let me show you in zoom view. You can see here this Gmail. Click this Gmail option here to access the Gmail directly. Click over it. It will take you to the newer screen. The next window will be browsed just like this. Here you will see your already logged or saved email account. You can access by clicking over it, or if you do not save any of the email account earlier, you have to type your email account and password. I want to open this email account, so click over it once, and then in the next window type the password. I have already saved the password to save your time also, so directly click on access. It will take you to your Gmail account. Here in this Gmail account you will see there are various components. Let me show you from the beginning. You can see like compose, inbox, a start, snoozed, sent, draft, and many more. So one by one we will discuss in this video. First of all, let me discuss about the compose option. This compose option is used to create the new mail that you want to send to another person, or that you want to save for your future reference as drafts. So let me show you how does it used. So click over it. As soon you click here, you find this type of a screen here. As you can see here, this new message. In this new message, to the column 2, you have to type the email address of the receptionist to whom you want to send the mail. Suppose I write here, I have typed this one. This email I have typed means I want to send the mail, I want to send the message to this person. Then come to the next column. In the next column you find the subject. Here type the subject that an email contains. Suppose I write here important notice. Next, go to the next column. Here this is the body of your email account. Here you have to type the message. You have to type the message body that you want to send to that person. Suppose I write here, dear sir, you are hereby informed that there is a meeting in the meeting hall at 3 p.m. on, put the dated also. Suppose I write this way. Suppose this is your message body, this is your email body. You want to send this message to this person, to whom anyone that you want to send. You have to put your email account here. You can put more email accounts also. I have typed here only one. You can type 2, 3, 4, 5, or up to 10 or more. So this message that I have typed in this message body will be sent to this person. So what will you do? Come a little below and click on this send option. Let me show you in the zoom view. You can see here this send option. Click on the send option to send the message to the receptionist. Click over it. The message will be sent. You can see, let me show you in the zoom view. You can see here the message sent, view message. When you will click, the message will be displayed what is sent to that person. Let me show you that also. You can see this type message is sent. This message I have sent. To whom did I send? You can see the more details here. So finally I want to tell you that this compose option is used to compose a new mail that you want to send to the other person, or this compose option is also used to create a new mail and save it for future reference as draft. So I hope this first option compose is clear. Let's we move to the second option. This inbox. This inbox store all the messages that has been sent to you by other person. So let me show you. Click over it. You see that these all messages are displayed. Means these all mails are sent to me by the other person. You can see there are three tabs. These all tabs contains different types of messages. Let me show you. You can see there are three tabs. First, primary, social and promotions. These all three tabs contains different types of messages. Primary messages contains all the messages that is sent to you using one email account, and the social tab, this tab contains all the messages, all the mails, all the informations that is sent to you using social medias like Facebook, Messenger, YouTube and so on. Let me show you this also. You can see these all are sent to me. These all messages are sent to me using YouTube, Facebook and so on. The next one is promotions tab. These promotion tabs offers you about the job and other things. You can see here uh, like rewards, Samsung Electronics and others. In it means in simple language, if I tell you what is the use of what kind of messages is stored in the promotion tabs of inbox, so we simply say that promotion tabs contains all the advertisements or all the such messages that advertises about the different companies. I hope I am clear to make you understand two options, two components of the Gmail account. One, compose, and the another one is inbox. These two components are clear. Let me tell you the next one. Next one I want to tell you send option. This send option stores all the informations, all the mails that you have sent to the other person. Let me show you. Click over it. It will display all the messages that you have sent to other person. You can see here that right now I have sent these messages. Important notice: dear sir, you are hereby informed that there is a meeting. These messages right now I have sent. So these all messages that is displayed in this folder, in this section, that I have sent to the other person, that I have sent to the other email. So finally I mean to tell this sent option, this sent folder is used to store all the mails that has been sent by you to other person. I hope these all three components of Gmail account is clear to all. First, compose; second, inbox; third, sent. And let we discuss one more, that is draft. This draft folder is used to contain all the messages that is saved by you. You have composed the mail, but you did not send to the person to whom you wanted to send. You have kept these messages, you have saved these emails or message to use for future reference. So these all messages will be displayed here. Let me show you. Suppose this messages I have typed and kept for the future reference, but I did not send these messages to the receptionist. So all the messages which are displayed here has been saved for your future reference, that you have created but did not send to any of the receptionist, did not send to any of the person. So such all kind of messages that you have created but you have saved for your future reference will be displayed in this folder. So I hope these four components of a Gmail account is clear: compose, inbox, sent and draft. Once again, let me have a summary. Compose option is used to create a new mail that you want to send to other person or that you want to save for your future reference. Here inbox contains all the details of the messages that you have received by other person. The sent option contains all the records of such mails, such messages that you have sent to other person. And the fourth and the last of this video, draft. This draft option, draft folder contains all the messages, all the informations, all the mails that you have created but not sent to any person and you have saved it for future reference. So that's all for this video. Next components and next other components we will discuss in the next part of this video. I hope this video is found to be helpful. If yes, please show me your support by giving this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to share it to your friends and family. Let them get the maximum benefits of it. Please do subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon. Select all option to get the latest notifications of my new videos. My name is Suman Mehta. I thank you so much for watching.